Okay, I don't know how I'm going to show this to you guys, but can you see that? Is that 2021? I don't know. Hopefully it is. This is just what I do. Just got back from Walmart and I wanted corn. Whoops. I just made a big mess. There you go. I'm throwing some salt on it. I suck at these videos, man. I gotta get a lot of salt on it. Okay. See that? Okay, got it. It tastes like corn. Another thing. I realize I did a lot of things in my life. Doesn't look like it. I failed at everything. But I've done a lot. I have multiple different careers and multiple different skills. I did technically get a college degree. I have a house. I got cars. I accomplished those things. I never keep anything is my problem. I had a kid, and I went viral. I mean, it's a lot of stuff for one lifetime. And I fought addiction. I've been sober, and I'm sober again. There's a lot of little different accomplishments for one lifetime. I gotta pat myself on the back sometimes. But anyway. I'm probably in the video now. See you guys later.